Forgotten username recovery failed on Lendwise Fix. If your Lendwise username recovery keeps failing, don't stress. Most people get this wrong because they expect Lendwise to still use usernames. The surprising truth is that Lendwise now uses your registered email as the primary login identifier. That's why the old username recovery process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Lendwise app or visit the website. Enter the email address linked to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for past emails from Lendwise, such as loan confirmations or account statements. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folders if the reset message doesn't arrive immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, make sure to use that same method. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery attempts fail. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Lendwise support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team can verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the real reason recovery fails is simple. Lendwise removed usernames to simplify login and increase security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if necessary, and you'll be back managing your Lendwise account in minutes.